The TRAI was established in 1997 with the primary objective of ensuring consumer protection, growth of the industry, level playing field, ensuring competition, various issues. And of course, TRAI works around these problems, so that's one part. Recently, in a couple of years back, huge amount of data is flowing through networks in India. In fact, we are transporting more data than US and China put together nowadays. So I think the data security, data privacy and data ownership have become extremely important issues. TRAI has done consultation on these issues and have given recommendations to the government on these specific issues of data protection and privacy. Being technology agnostic, we have to ensure that regulations do not come in the way of development of new technologies. So therefore, we are always and constantly evolving ourselves in a regulatory architecture to ensure that we keep pace with technology, we remain ahead on the curve, and all these newer breeds of technologies like AI, machine learning, big data, analytics, all these things are going to play an extremely important role in India's digital life, and we are cognizant of the fact that we need to have regulations which actually facilitate the development and deployment of these technologies. Interestingly, we have issued a paper only day before yesterday titled Enabling 5G in India, which actually sets forth the context, the development and how 5G could be enabled in our country, and we are very hopeful that we will have a lot of use cases in the country, and businesses and the telecom operators are also very excited about it. And I think they will be the one who will be actually proliferating 5G. If you create a platform whereby all other stakeholders can share information relating to the equipment and their identities, etc. It will be a good thing to happen because it will generate a lot of trust in the ecosystem. One of the programs which I just now attended, the Ask the Regulator, that's an extremely important and interesting program because you have regulators from around the world participating, and then of course you have questions from the floor and from the through the internet. It's again an extremely interesting part. I think both from the perspective of visiting the booths and learning what is happening on the technology space, it's also a good opportunity to collaborate, kind of discuss with fellow regulators as to what's happening in the regulatory space around the world.